Your laptop should not sound like this. That loud fan noise? It's your laptop crying for help. And if you ignore it, you could permanently damage your battery, processor, or even lose your files. Most people think loud fans are normal. They're wrong. Today, I'll show you why your laptop fan gets loud, what it secretly means, and how to fix it before it's too late. Inside your laptop, thousands of tiny electrical operations happen every second. That creates heat. Your cooling fan is designed to push that heat out. But when the fan suddenly becomes extremely loud, your laptop is usually struggling to cool itself. And that can happen for several dangerous reasons. Dust buildup, blocked air vents, heavy background apps, malware, old thermal paste, or even failing hardware. The scary part? Many laptops show no warning before overheating starts damaging components internally. By the time performance drops, the damage may have already begun. Here are the biggest warning signs you should never ignore. If your laptop fan sounds loud even while doing simple tasks, that's a red flag. If the keyboard feels unusually hot, another warning sign. Random lag, sudden shutdowns, battery draining faster, frame drops during gaming, all signs your cooling system may be failing. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of electronics. Excessive temperatures can slowly reduce your laptop's lifespan over time. And here's something most people don't know. High heat can also reduce CPU performance automatically. Your laptop intentionally slows itself down to prevent damage. That's called thermal throttling. So the louder the fan becomes, the harder your laptop is fighting to survive. Now the good news. Most loud laptop fan problems can actually be fixed. Start with the easiest solution first. Clean the air vents. Dust blocks airflow and traps heat inside the laptop. Even a thin layer can dramatically increase temperatures. Use compressed air carefully to clean the vents. Never block the laptop on pillows or beds. Soft surfaces trap heat instantly. Instead, place it on a hard surface or cooling stand. Next, check your running apps. Open Task Manager and look for apps using excessive CPU power. Sometimes a single background app can force your fan into overdrive. Also check for malware. Some viruses secretly use your processor constantly in the background, and that creates massive heat. Finally, reduce unnecessary startup programs. Your laptop should not start 25 hidden apps every time it boots. If your fan is still loud after cleaning and optimizing, there may be a deeper issue. One common problem is dried thermal paste. Thermal paste helps transfer heat away from the processor. But over time, it dries out. And when that happens, temperatures can skyrocket. Another possibility? A failing cooling fan. Worn-out bearings inside the fan can create grinding or buzzing noises. That's not something you should ignore. Because if the cooling fan stops completely, your laptop could overheat within minutes under heavy load. Want your laptop to last longer? Do these simple habits consistently. Clean vents every few months. Keep your room cool. Avoid blocking airflow. Update drivers regularly. Use balanced power settings instead of maximum performance all the time. And if you game or edit videos heavily, consider using a cooling pad. Small habits can dramatically increase your laptop's lifespan and save you from expensive repairs later. A loud laptop fan is not something you should ignore. Your laptop is warning you that something isn't right. The earlier you fix the problem, the better chance you have of avoiding permanent damage. So before your laptop overheats again, clean it, optimize it, and protect it. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more smart tech fixes that actually work. And comment below, how loud is your laptop fan right now?